Welcome. In 2026, the world of artificial intelligence is undergoing a dramatic shift. For years, most AI systems relied on a simple workflow: retrieve information, inject it into a prompt, and generate an answer known as RAG, or Retrieval-Augmented Generation. This approach worked well for document search, basic Q&A, and copilots. But as AI is now expected to handle complex, multi-step reasoning and provide traceable, logical answers, the limitations of RAG are becoming clear. Today, we'll explore why advanced AI teams are moving from RAG to the next generation, KAG, or Knowledge-Augmented Generation. Let's start with RAG's pipeline. It's a clever shortcut. A user query is embedded. A similarity search is performed. The top matching text chunks are retrieved, and then an LLM generates an answer. The core assumption is that semantic similarity equals relevance. For simple, single-hop questions, this works. But as soon as complexity enters, like multi-hop reasoning or logical relationships, RAG's approach starts to break down. The AI can't chain facts across multiple pieces of information, and it often produces confident answers based on disconnected evidence. RAG's limitations become obvious with real-world complex questions. For example, if you ask, which suppliers have delivery delays overlapping with our low-inventory SKUs in the Southeast? RAG retrieves chunks similar to the query, but can't connect the dots between them. It lacks mechanisms for multi-hop reasoning, is blind to logic like numerical values or temporal order, and treats each document chunk in isolation. In fields like healthcare, law, or finance, this isn't just inconvenient, it's a deal-breaker. Enter KAG, Knowledge-Augmented Generation. Developed by Ant Group and Zhejiang University, KAG is designed for structured reasoning, not just retrieval. Instead of relying on similarity, KAG enables AI to reason across knowledge graphs, semantic relationships, and logical inference paths. This means AI can now connect facts, follow logical chains, and provide answers that are not just plausible, but traceable and correct. KAG is built for the complex, interconnected problems that modern enterprises face. The core mission of KAG is to fuse the precision of symbolic knowledge graph reasoning with the fluency of generative LLMs. Unlike RAG, which retrieves isolated text, KAG reasons like a human, traversing relationships and following logical paths. This approach is especially powerful for professional domains, where accuracy, traceability, and logical consistency are essential. KAG doesn't just find similar text, it understands and explains the connections between facts. KAG's architecture is built on three main components. First, the KAG Builder constructs a knowledge graph from raw documents, linking graph nodes and text. Second, the KAG Solver is a logical, form-guided reasoning engine that decomposes queries, plans reasoning paths, and synthesizes answers. Third, the KAG model consists of LLMs fine-tuned for knowledge graph integrated reasoning. Together, these components allow KAG to deliver answers that are both accurate and explainable. The first innovation inside KAG is LLM-FRISPG, a knowledge representation that's both structured and flexible. While RAG stores documents as flat text, KAG organizes knowledge as a graph. LLM-FRISPG can handle both schema-constrained data and messy, unstructured enterprise information. It automatically extracts entities and relationships, aligning them into a queryable graph without manual engineering. This makes KAG robust and adaptable to real-world data. KAG's second innovation is mutual indexing. Unlike RAG, which only stores text, KAG maintains bidirectional links between graph nodes and source text chunks. This means you can retrieve a graph entity and instantly access its original text context, or start from a text chunk and see all related entities and relationships. With KAG, you don't have to choose between structure and context. You get both, seamlessly integrated. The third innovation is KAG's logical, form-guided hybrid reasoning solver. Instead of just searching for similar text, KAG decomposes queries into structured logical forms, plans reasoning paths through the knowledge graph, executes each step with the right operator, and synthesizes a fully traceable answer. For example, in healthcare, KAG can trace which drugs are contraindicated for a patient, by following a logical sequence through prescriptions, diagnoses, and formulary rules. Real-world knowledge bases are messy entities, have different names, relationships are phrased inconsistently, and data can be ambiguous. KAG's alignment module solves this by normalizing entity references and resolving coreferences during both indexing and retrieval. This ensures that the AI can connect information accurately, even when the data comes from multiple, inconsistent sources. It's a key reason why KAG works in enterprise environments. The fifth innovation is KAG Thinker, designed for the hardest problems where the reasoning path isn't clear up front. KAG Thinker explores multiple inference branches, evaluates intermediate conclusions, and revises its approach as needed. It's like having an AI that can backtrack and adapt, closing the gap between automated answers and expert-level reasoning. This is especially valuable in domains where uncertainty and complexity are the norm. How does KAG perform in practice? On multi-hop question answering, exactly where RAG fails, KAG delivers impressive results. For example, it shows a 19.6% relative F1 improvement over naive RAG on the Hotpot QA benchmark and a 33.4% improvement on 2 Wiki multi-hop QA. These benchmarks require connecting facts across multiple documents, mirroring the complex reasoning tasks that enterprise AI faces every day. So, when should you use RAG, and when should you use KAG? Stick with RAG for single-hop, conversational queries, rapid prototyping, or when knowledge changes too quickly for graph maintenance. But move to KAG when your queries require chaining facts, you need answer traceability, or when correctness is critical like in healthcare, law, or finance. In 2026, most production systems use a hybrid approach, routing queries to RAG or KAG as needed. The reality in 2026 is that most advanced AI systems use both RAG and KAG. A query router decides which path to use based on the question's complexity and requirements. KAG provides structured, factual grounding, while RAG handles dynamic, unstructured context. This hybrid approach ensures that AI systems are both flexible and reliable, able to handle a wide range of enterprise needs. KAG is open source, actively maintained, and production tested. To get started, you need Python 3.1 or higher. The repository includes everything you need: KAG Builder for knowledge graph construction, KAG Solver for logical form reasoning, KAG Model for fine-tuned LLMs, and KAG Thinker for deep reasoning. There are also working examples from real-world deployments in e-government and e-health, making it easy to see KAG in action. KAG is built on the OpenSPG engine, which is also open source. OpenSPG provides the backbone for knowledge graph construction and reasoning, making it easy to integrate KAG into your own AI workflows. With both KAG and OpenSPG available, advanced reasoning capabilities are now accessible to any team willing to adopt them. This shift from RAG to KAG represents a new era in AI. First-generation AI apps relied on embedding, retrieval, and generation. That powered a wave of products, but it's not enough for the next generation. Today's AI must reason, not just recall. It must preserve logical relationships and show its work, not just produce plausible answers. KAG is what happens when the old shortcuts run out, and deeper reasoning becomes essential. The benchmarks are clear. KAG outperforms RAG on complex reasoning tasks, with nearly 20% to 33% improvements in F1 scores on multi-hop QA benchmarks. KAG's advantage is proven. These aren't just academic results. KAG is already deployed at scale in production environments like Ant Group's e-government and e-health systems. The teams that succeed in 2026 are those that recognize retrieval and reasoning are fundamentally different problems. To sum up, RAG fails on multi-hop reasoning, numerical logic, and temporal relationships, now the default requirements for enterprise AI. KAG replaces flat chunk retrieval with knowledge graph traversal, guided by logical reasoning. Its 5 innovations, LLM FRISPG, mutual indexing, logical form solver, knowledge alignment, and KAG Thinker set a new standard. Hybrid architectures are the norm, and open source tools make adoption easier than ever. In 2026, the question isn't whether KAG is better than RAG for hard reasoning tasks. The benchmarks have settled that. The real question is, when will your team migrate? As AI continues to evolve, those who embrace reasoning-first architectures will lead the way in reliability, accuracy, and trustworthiness. The future of AI is about understanding, not just retrieving. Thanks for joining this deep dive into the evolution from RAG to KAG. As AI systems become more central to critical decision-making, the need for logical, traceable, and reliable answers grows. KAG is the framework that meets these demands, blending the best of knowledge graphs and generative models. The teams that succeed will be those who stop treating retrieval and reasoning as the same problem. The future of AI is here, and it's reasoning first.